Hello and welcome to our English Learning Podcast. Today we will talk about improving your listening skills together. Listening is very important for learning English. Good listening helps you understand movies, songs, and real conversations better. Many students find listening difficult at first. Don't worry! With practice and the right methods, you can improve quickly. We will share simple tips today. These tips work for beginners and advanced learners. Everyone can use these methods. Listen carefully to this podcast. Try to understand every word we say. This is your first listening practice today. Good listening helps you in many ways. You can understand native speakers better when they talk fast. Listening improves your pronunciation naturally. When you hear correct sounds, your speaking becomes better too automatically. You learn new words through listening. Context helps you understand meanings without using a dictionary every time. Listening builds your confidence quickly. When you understand more, you feel more comfortable in English conversations with others. Movies and TV shows become enjoyable. You don't need subtitles when your listening skills improve significantly over time. Begin with simple podcasts and videos. Choose topics you already know well. Familiar subjects make understanding much easier. Listen to children's stories first sometimes. They use simple words and speak slowly. This builds your basic listening foundation. Watch English cartoons regularly too. Cartoon characters speak clearly and use basic vocabulary. The pictures help you understand. Try English learning podcasts daily. These are made for students like you. Teachers speak slowly and explain difficult words. Use materials with transcripts available. Read while you listen sometimes. This connects sounds with written words in your mind. Play the same audio many times. First time, try to understand the main idea. Don't worry about details. Second time, focus on specific words. Try to catch words you missed before. Your brain needs time to process. Third time, listen without looking anywhere. Close your eyes and concentrate fully. This improves your focus and attention. Take breaks between listening sessions regularly. Your brain needs rest to remember new sounds and words you heard. Repeat this process with different materials. Practice makes your listening skills stronger every day you try it. Listen to news programs sometimes. News uses formal language and clear pronunciation. Start with short news clips. Try music with clear lyrics. Songs help you learn rhythm and natural speech patterns. Choose slower songs first. Watch cooking shows and tutorials. Visual actions help you understand spoken words. You see what people describe. Listen to weather reports daily. Weather vocabulary is limited and repeated often. This builds confidence through familiar words. Try radio talk shows gradually. People discuss various topics naturally. This exposes you to casual conversation styles. Don't try to understand every word. Focus on important words like nouns and verbs. These carry main meanings. Listen for names, numbers, and places. These words are usually pronounced clearly. They give you important context information. Pay attention to repeated words. Speakers often repeat important information. Repetition helps you catch missed details earlier. Notice tone and emotion changes. Happy, sad, or angry voices help you understand meanings without knowing all words. Learn to guess unknown words. Use context clues around difficult words. Your brain can fill missing information naturally. Sit in a quiet place. Remove distractions like phones and TV. Full attention improves your listening results significantly. Take notes while listening sometimes. Write keywords and main ideas. Writing helps your brain remember better. Ask yourself questions about content. What happened? Who was speaking? Why? Questions keep your mind focused and engaged. Summarize what you heard afterward. Tell someone else or write it down. This checks your understanding level. Predict what comes next sometimes. This keeps you actively engaged. Predictions help you follow conversations better naturally. Slow down audio speed first. Most apps let you play audio slower. Gradually increase speed as you improve. Use subtitles wisely and carefully. Start with English subtitles, then remove them. Don't depend on them too much. Try speech recognition apps sometimes. Speak what you heard back. These apps check if you understood correctly. Record yourself speaking daily too. Compare your pronunciation with native speakers. This improves both listening and speaking. Use language learning apps regularly. Many have listening exercises with instant feedback. Practice little amounts daily works best. Practice hearing difficult English sounds. Some sounds don't exist in your native language. Regular practice helps recognition. Learn about connected speech patterns. Native speakers link words together. Want to sounds like wanna in fast speech. Study word stress patterns carefully. English words have stressed syllables. Wrong stress makes words hard to understand. Practice hearing contractions like don't, won't, can't. These are very common in spoken English but confuse learners. Learn reduced pronunciations of common words. Going to becomes gonna in casual speech. This knowledge helps understanding. Learn words in groups together. Food words, family words, work words. Groups help you understand topics better. Study common phrases and expressions. Native speakers use fixed phrases often. Knowing these improves comprehension significantly. Learn informal words and slang. Movies and TV shows use casual language. Formal textbooks don't teach these words. Practice pronunciation of new words. If you can't say words correctly, hearing them becomes much more difficult. Review vocabulary regularly through listening. Hearing words in context helps you remember them longer than reading alone. Listen to English every day. Even 5 minutes helps maintain your skills. Consistency matters more than long sessions. Set realistic goals for yourself. Don't expect perfect understanding immediately. Progress takes time and regular practice daily. Join English conversation groups online. Real conversations are different from recorded materials. Practice with real people helps. Keep a listening diary regularly. Write what you listened to and what you learned. Track your progress over time. Don't give up when frustrated. Everyone struggles with listening sometimes. Difficulty is a normal part of learning any language. Don't translate everything to your language. This slows down your understanding. Try to think in English directly. Don't focus on unknown words. Missing one word won't ruin understanding. Keep listening for main ideas instead. Don't always use subtitles everywhere. Your ears need practice without visual help. Challenge yourself to listen without text. Don't listen only to one accent. Different people speak English differently. Expose yourself to various accents and speeds. Don't expect immediate results always. Listening skills develop slowly over time. Be patient with yourself during this process. Improving listening takes time and practice. Use these tips every day. Your listening will get better slowly but surely. Start with easy materials first. Gradually move to harder content. Challenge yourself, but don't get frustrated with slow progress. Remember to practice actively daily. Pay attention and engage your mind. Passive listening alone won't improve your skills much. Thank you for listening today. Practice these tips this week. Come back next time for more English learning advice. Keep listening, keep learning, keep improving. Your English listening skills will become excellent with consistent daily practice and patience.